going to be leading, and now Booty's going to give chase.
All right, guys, how are the battles? Is this more exciting than what we saw earlier? All right, make sure you guys are eyeballing your favorite driver and go get an autograph from him later after this. We're going to have an autograph session after that, or after the battles that we have today. Now we have Booty in the chase position. And he is an expert at chasing down cars. Now, Richard, getting better and better every run. Let's see what kind of lead run he is going to lay down in front of Savette. Both the drivers starting off the start gate. Not as tight on the outside line by the lead driver, but a very good proximity. Very wide there by Richard. And now leading the chase, keeping that proximity, keeping that pressure on the lead run. And now the last switchback for the outside goes there. A little bit of a deactivated there. Wow, what an incredible run by both of the drivers. And man, round of applause to Richard and Booty for a great battle. All right, but you know what? Because of the proximity and how great the lead run was, all the judges are deciding to Anglo Army. Booty Delsel gets the win this time and moves on to the Grade 8. Man, the next battle, the first battle for the Grade 8 is going to be pretty sick. It's going to be Mark Bernardo versus Booty Delsel. But great job by Richard Cheng all weekend. Getting better and better. Now, warming up his tires, we have this two-door R34 Skyline. It is John Bourbon from the Drift Mob. He is also a drift expert. This man is also going to show us something amazing out here on the track. And going against John Bourbon from Autocraft, the drift team, it is Brian America. He also made it through from the seating bracket, and now he is going against John Bourbon. This is going to be a tough one, being in the chase, but you never know what's going to happen with drifting. I am pretty sure Jamaica is going to leave it all out on the track. And now John Bourbon is going to be leading. Jack sending off the car from the start gate. John Bourbon taking the wider line at the outside zone 1 and 2. Ryan trying to see stuff on the inside. Here's the taking the man. Ryan not giving up and still giving a chase, but also straightening out again. And now finishing off the track at the outside zone 4. Going to the finish line with his John Bourbon. Wow! Great lead run made by the strip expert. And it looks like Ryan kind of had to. Sounds like there's tire screeching for some reason. I don't know if it's a alignment or suspension or something, but all right. So we got Ryan America in the lead. And now John Bourbon in the chase. Outside line. America very light there. And a very long line. Now it looks like John is catching up a little bit too much. When he keeps this proximity, keeps it tight, keeps that pressure, almost hitting the lead car. And there's a huge mistake made by Ryan. And I think that's going to be it. That might be an easy call for the judges. All right, there were some mistakes made, but the bigger mistakes made were by one other driver. So moving on to the Grade 8 is going to be from Drift Mob. John Bourbon gets the win, moves on to the Grade 8. Congratulations to Bourbon. And nice fight by Ryan, moving up from the seating bracket. A great job. Another young driver to look forward to. All right, now we have the big boss of the Sisson family. It is Abel Sisson from and lastly, he has been in the drifting scene for quite a long time, and he is a veteran behind the wheel. And now giving chase. Also another Sisson is Ashley Sisson, from father and daughter battle. Now we're at the generation where we have parents and the kids going against each other on the same competition. Now, who is going to win? Is it going to be the father? Is it going to be Adele? Or is it going to be the daughter? Is it going to be Ashley? Who do you guys think is going to win? Is it going to be the daughter or the father? Who are you rooting for? All right, now, Jack puts his hand out, and it's just Ashley, through direction to get her car again. Outside zone, and Ashley used his thing. I'm not sure if it's the car or what. The huge uses thing by Ashley and Abel. Please travel back home to the finish line. A huge mistake made by Ashley in the chase position. But Adele, fairly good run, just not so good from outside zone 3 to 4. The 2 to 3 switchback. He did hit one of the cones on the inside. But let's see how well he's going to chase his daughter down. Ashley in the lead position. Adele in the chase. Well, a great job in the lead. Now she is nothing further or nothing in the lead. And now Adele. Let's take his daughter down. You know what? Whoa! Whoa! She put up a great fight with what she has. Plus Ashley and Adele. The Sisson family here.
Whoa!
Well, great job by both of the drivers. It is amazing to see the father and daughter drifting together. And I think we all know who this win is going to go to. Obviously, it's going to go to the driver from the Autocraft Drift team, but it is going to go to a Sisson. It's going to go to Adele Sisson. Is getting the win. Moving on to the Great Egg. Congratulations, and hey, you know what? Ashley put up a great fight, and maybe the car issues is getting her. But a great job by both drivers. Now let's go ahead and see the warm-up by these two drivers here. All right, so that was Dane Cruz from Cylon Motor Drift Mechanics warming up the tires. And you guys know what this yellow Celica is. It is from Drift Mob. It is Marcus Bourbon. We've seen him move up from the seeding battles, and now he is here going against currently ranking 3rd, Dane Cruz from Cylon Motor Drift Mechanic. He's in the lead position, an expert at drifting. Now, how well is Marcus going to chase him down? Dane Cruz just threw outside the one a little bit, but then the drift ball Marcus looks like Marcus has the whole back. Well, the left turn and he sprint that upper transition. And it looks like, oh no, something happened to Dane Cruz's car. He went straight off of the track. It looks like the car cut off. And the car started off now, and it looks like
Uh-oh. Oh, man, it's some drivetrain issue for Dane Cruz's car. I heard something rattling. It might be transmission. It could be the diff. Now, Dane Cruz is going to call a
Daming
competition
pwedeng
timeout.
i-thesis dito, ha? Daming pwedeng i-thesis.
5-minute rule.
Ang daming pwedeng
So we don't have
i-research.
to put everything on hold.
Ano yung mga palpak,
For 5
ganyan.
minutes to figure
Grabe.
out what is wrong with
Engineer.
his car, but it
Yung mga,
definitely sounded like
yung mga drill crew, puro engineer, mga kaibigan, mga
now,
kapacham.
on a deficit
mga
because
katisis,
of the
mga-
spin, Drift Mob,
Puro
Marcus
engineer yung mga yan, ha?
Lamont, he's gonna get lucky. If Dane Cruz's car doesn't make it out, Marcus is gonna get the automatic win.
Ayun si Boss G,
Now
naglalakad.
let's see how they are going to either fix the car or they're gonna have to throw in the towel.
Kailangan daw ma-repair nila, kung hindi, surrender. Wala silang sakyan eh. Ganun talaga, parang sa tennis
Hey,
lang yan.
Jack.
Pag wala ka raketa, talo ka na. Boss G, shout out!
Yeah, so for those of you for the rule,
Ayun
you
o, si
can't
Boss
really
G
touch the
Galabay.
car unless
Ang ating...
you're finished with the battle.
Mamile, hello!
You call your competition
Mamile,
timeout.
shout out!
The only car that is calling the competition timeout is to
Mamile Galabay, asawa ni Boss G. Yun o.
currently at the start
Ang
line.
ating mga main sponsor.
If they do want to
Yung nagdala
operate on
po.
the car, they're going to have
Sila
to
yung
call a
nagdala
competition timeout.
ng Drift Mitsuri Series dito sa Pilipinas. No, not the Northern Luzon specifically, sorry. Sa Northern Luzon, first time po in the history of Northern Luzon, ilang Cagayan. Northern Luzon, kasama ang Ilocos, Isabela, Batanes.
Team is patiently waiting
At
next
gusto
to
po nilang
Marcus
bumalik.
Lamont's car.
Sabi nila kanina, gusto nilang bumalik. Hopefully next month. Wow!
All you can do is pray.
Or this year. Wow!
But it looks like Dane's car is pulling out of the pits.
Uy, lalaban, lalaban.
I wonder
Lalaban.
what the problem was.
Lalaban sila, lalaban. Top 8 na po to, top 8, top 8 na. 8 na lang. Mga kapacham, dito na malalaman yung ano, yung papasok sa top 4.
All right, never mind. I guess we'll find out later what happened, but Marcus Lamont is in the lead. Dane Cruz in the chase. Dane Cruz.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh no!
Grabe yung
But you know what? Dane Cruz says, screw this, I'm still doing it.
Wow! Woo! Woo!
Hey, this is a great
Woo!
that Marcus Lamont caught. But man,
Wow!
what possible the driver.
Woo!
And also Dane Cruz.
Walang,
Dane Cruz
walang
still
ano, ah.
just taking it out, taking the car out. They still had a problem with the
Grabe.
shaft. Hood opens, but he said, screw this, I'm going.
Wow!
Wants to put on a good
Wala
show for
siyang
everybody.
vision, walang vision.
Well, let me
pero
go ahead and make it official.
Grabe.
So the winner for this round,
Idol,
who's
grabe
going
ba
to
yun?
be graded, he's going
Ayos.
to Drift Mob. Marcus Bobon gets the win, moves on to the grade 8. Congratulations to this young driver, but super fortunate from Silent Motor Drift Mechanic, Dane Cruz. A great hustle by his team and the driver. Unfortunately knocked out. But a great job by both of the drivers. And now moving on to the third to the last battle that we have here for the top 16. It is Basic Racing Team. It's Jay Lazaga. The Advan colors R32. And you guys know this man. It is Lloyd Christian Rivera from Autograph 15 who made his way through the seating battles.
Yeah.
Now their battle is starting with the R32 battle. Wow, pretty outside line right there. Michael Zaga and Rivera trying to close that. Down the Zaga, taking outside line. Rivera getting choked up. And a huge correction in the change position, but now Osaka finishes off the track, leading off by the 4. Great job by both of the drivers.
Wow!
What a battle. They're both on
Galing ng Red, ang galing ng
they're
Red.
both two doors, and they're both aggressive drivers. And now realigning themselves. Now they're going to switch places. Rivera is going to be leading now, and Lazaga is going to give chase. And we are currently looking at
Wala sa likod ka, dikitan mo lang yung nasa harap para manalo ka.
at the outside zone 3 area, but he don't care. He's just in the close. Lazaga keeping that pressure on. Now two identical cars with different colors, different drivers, and different styles. Lazaga keeping that pressure on in the same position. The last switch up for the outside zone 4, and the switch back towards the outside zone 4. Round of applause. These are 32 drivers. That was Lazaga and Rivera putting up a great show here. Battling it out to get into the grade 8.
Wow. Sino nanalo yung red, ano? Feeling ko yung red. I-announce. Sabi ng judges, nag-usap sila. Yun yung mga judge ko.
Very, very close call, but there was a huge mistake made in the chase position by one of these drivers. So, moving on to the grade 8 is going to be Basic Racing Team. Jay Lazaga gets the win. Congratulations, and hey man, a great hustle by Lloyd Christian Rivera from the Autograph Drift Team. A great job throughout the season and making it out here and putting on a great show for everybody. And now we have another Drift Mob driver, and you're right, we saw this car earlier. But guess what? It's a different driver now because he is out of a car and he is borrowing this car from his fellow teammate. It is Anthony Billick. Is going to be piloting the car that John Bobon drove earlier. And now in the chase position, we got Paulo Rodriguez from Jeff Mechanic Garage. And 831 Shapiro. Now this is going to be a good battle. Usually driving a very, very colorful 831 Zafiro by Anthony. Now going against Paulo Rodriguez in the white 831 Zafiro. Now Jax. Hand puts out, and now the both of the drivers are starting. Huge hand created. Now Anthony. Clearing the track. Very short left. Moving around and works in the last transition. Before the outside goal 4. Great job and a nice line made by Anthony Billick. And then that was a huge gap. From Rocky, I don't know.
Parang nakakasunod tayo. Yung
something happened. I'm not sure. Maybe his gear. Maybe he wasn't paying attention, but that was a huge gap. From the start line, maybe he fell asleep. Got a little too comfortable behind the wheel. Alright, now both the drivers are going to be switching places, and we will be seeing Anthony chase down Rodriguez.
Switch naman sila, switch. Una naman yung white. Dapat dikitan ng red.
And here goes the second half of the battle. Now one thing. And now Anthony in the pit position in the car. Now Anthony taking the same line as Rodriguez. He's got Rodriguez. But there was a little bit more pressure in the same position by Anthony than Rodriguez. And now right there, right for the last outside zone, we see Anthony shoot up to the door hard. Rodriguez, a round of applause to both these drivers. Congratulations for both the drivers for making 2 clean runs consecutively. And now we're going to have to go into announcing who the winner is.
Panalo yung red, panalo yung red. Ako ba yung judge? Si Sir Janus ba yung judge? Hindi, pero nakakasunod na tayo. Alam na natin yung ano nila.
All right. Now we have a winner here. Moving on to the grade 8. Even though he's in a borrowed car, he made it in his Drift Mob. Anthony Billick gets the win, moves on to the grade 8. And a great job in the lead in the chase position. Just not enough for Paulo Rodriguez to move on from Drift Mechanic Garage.
Wow!
What a great job. And now we have warming up. We almost hit that phone. So, the last but not least battle we have for the top 16. Right now we just saw Angle Army, Isaac Reyes, currently sitting second in the ranking for the series. And giving chase, another Sisson. It is Ariane Sisson from Autograph Drift Team. And now let's see what kind of battle these two drivers are going to go. Ariane looks like she did a great job. It was a huge question before the outside zone two. And now we see the outside line. And now switchback. Ariane fighting the car, but still trying to keep that proximity tight. Right here, Isaac with a huge battle there for a lot of battle. Straight into the track. A great job by both drivers. And it looks like Ariane's struggling a little bit. But of course, her opponent currently is second in the points ranking. Not an easy driver to beat. But she is doing everything she can in her power.
Shout out. Beng, salamat sa...
To keep up. Now it's going to be a different story because Ariane is going to be leading and Isaac is going to give chase. Now there is some car difference here with grip and power maybe.
Shout out sa ating mga
Well, let's see how well Isaac can keep up and keep
Ay, round 2.
Ariane. That was a tough one, leaving the. Oh no, something's wrong with her car, and she failed. Ariane. Unfortunately, I think that's going to be it for her weekend. Well, man, a round of applause for both drivers, and a round of applause to Ariane and her car. Her car had to run double duty all weekend because it was being shared by the Sisson sisters and made it all the way into the top 16. Great job by both drivers. But I think it is safe to say that all judges are going to be siding with Angle Army. Isaac Reyes gets the win, moves on to the Grade 8. Congratulations. And a great hustle by another Sisson right here out here. Ariane, great job from the Autograph Drift Team.
Ito na, next na. Ito, warm up. Ikot lang sa isang beses.
All right. For all of you, hopefully you guys are drift fans. You guys are drift fans now, right? You guys like drifting?
Yeah.
Are you guys a fan of drifting now?
Yes.
Okay, so those of you drift fans, this is a big deal here. This is going to be a pretty crazy battle against these two drivers. One driver, one of the best drivers here in the Philippines from CRD is Mark Bernardo. And another driver is probably one of the best drivers here and the OG drifter in the Philippines. It is Rudy Damaso from Angle Army. Now, don't blink. Don't look away. You're going to have to see this battle because
top 8.
they're going to get on each other's doors.
Finally,
And it's going to be very, very close. And I'm making that prediction right now. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this one. I mean, so-called, this could be pretty much like a finals battle. And we're going to be seeing this at the Grade 8.
Top 8. Top 8 na mga lods. Top 8 mga kapacham. Ito na.
All right, here we go. Starting off. Mark Bernardo. Check it out. Now, Mark Bernardo on the outside round 2. Moody. Let's go. Close proximity. Now, Bruno Messi. Woo! Super close there in the big switchback. And after the switchback, Moody trying to do everything he can to close that gap to the outside zone. Great job. This is what I'm talking about, and I'm sure that this is what you came to see. This is a great drift battle, and now this is only the first half of that battle. We still have the second half where Moody is going to be leading and Mark is going to be chasing.
Woo! Puro usok. Pero ayos lang. Shout out sa mga viewers natin. Shout out
I
sa
think
inyo.
this is the revenge match from last.
Like and share.
I think,
Final ito to. Mamaya, final 4, then final 2. Wow! Grabe. Yan na, warning na.
I think he lost Isaac.
Over siding na.
Don't listen to
Ina, ina,
him.
ina, ina.
There you go, Mark Bernardo. Very clean run. And now Mark Bernardo right on the door. Cody. Nice Woo! Right here in the proximity. It looks like that's Steve Roman has to go to the outside zone. And go! Mark Bernardo throwing himself into the outside zone. That's right. They're in the lead. And look at the drivers. Look at the excitement coming from Mark Bernardo.
Grabe.
Man,
Woo!
that felt good watching. Just imagine how
Panalo
good it
yung
felt in the
yung
car.
break.
To do
Bernardo.
a crazy
Shout
chase
out
run
Bernardo
like
family.
that.
Bernardo, wow. Wow,
The
Bernardo.
judges will be
Kabirawan, Bernardo, panalo kayo. Ha? Grabe. Sino nanalo? Judge. Manawarin natin yung judge. Punta natin yung mga judges. Sino nanalo? Ano sila mag-decide? Ha? Sino pong panalo? Yan po yung mga judges.
Cancel po kayo?
Opo, ngayon lang ako nakaroon ng 15.
All right, so who do you guys think won? Do you think Rudy won?
God willing po. Kung lolobi na pa
Or do you think Mark won? Or do you guys want to see this one more time?
Yeah!
Hey, this isn't how it works. We have to judge and pick a winner. But you know what? Us judges think it's going to be one more time too. So
Yeah! Tie break.
both of the drivers did great in the lead. One driver was a little bit shallow in the chase. One of the drivers was a little shallow on the line in the chase position.
Tie break.
So we're going to have to see this battle one more
Parang
time.
tennis to, mga kabachang.
You guys
Tie
are
break.
better judges than us because you guys said one more time, and guess what? It is a one more time.
Wow. Dami nang nanonood. Grabe.
You know what? Maybe I'm going to ask you guys to judge later, okay? So just be ready. Okay? Now we're going to give them a few minutes to get their cars prepped.
Wow. Sabihan nga natin si Mamang dito po yung official official photo Sir official ito Napakagaling. Sir, ano pangalan mo, sir? Ian. Sir Ian, shout out Sir Janus kamo. Shout out Sir Janus.
Drivers are getting ready.
Pacham vlogger. Ayun o.
Okay, I think you might have to fire. So let's go ahead and move on to the next battle. We're going to come back to this one more time battle, okay?
Yeah. Next match muna. Ang hirap nun, dikit na. Grabe. Buti ka sila magbanggaan, no? Ayun, si boss. Ayun, sir. Road na ako. Excited. Dito lang ako. Pinalis tayo dun. Official lang dun eh. Excited.
All right. How did you guys like that battle? Because now we're expecting the second grade 8 battle to be very, very similar because these drivers are also veterans we have.
Finally na po, finally.
Drift Bob going against Adele Sisson from Autocraft Drift Team.
Quarterfinals.
Now these drivers are for a win.
Wow!
Oh man. Why isn't the Philippines this cool all the time? It's so hot during the day. It feels so good right now. Now guys, don't blink, don't look away. Make sure you watch the battle of these two drivers. Now we have Adele in the lead. And we got going on in the race. Now cross the line. So we're not right there. Now we're going to have to watch them. Oh man, I think. All right, so it looks like Adele's car slowed down at outside zone 2 because of mechanical issues.
And he looks like he couldn't move forward.
Ang ating sponsor, Boss Chick.
Yes, sir.
Jay! Jay, tugaw! Namok tanin! Dili! Jay! Sabi na.
Woo! Gwapo ka naman, Kuya Trip, sir. Grabe.
Enjoy.
Enjoy po, sobra. Mas maganda pa sa tennis.
All right, so Odell is going to.
Pero maganda rin mag-tennis. Tennis weather, oh.
Ito na yung ano. Ito na
Okay,
yung pinaka-hype.
watching the
Finally po, no?
Makakaya po sa pamakain.
Oo, yung mga, may nagbabangga po talaga, ma'am. Meron talaga. Paano pag ganun, magbabayad sila? Paano pag nagbagaan sila, magbabayad sila?
Para magbabayad.
Magbabayad yung nakabangga, ganun, wala? Wala. Ah, okay. Ayos.
Parang ano, parang manipakya.
Ah, oh. Gan
Ha? Ako may nag
Shout out po kay Madam. Ano pangalan niyo, ma'am?
Nelly po.
Nelly, si Ma'am Nelly. Thank you very much, ma'am. Sir Janus Stats po. Pacham vlogger, pachamba-chamba lang. Bago lang. 5,000 pa lang po yung ating ano. Baka maging 10. Baka baka mas madagdagan after ng drift. Yun, kung lolobin ng Panginoon, no, sir? God willing. Ang ganda ng weather. Ang ganda po, oh. Grabe, sir, oh. Ganda ng sunset, ma'am, oh. Ma'am. Yeah. God willing. God willing. Bang, ang ganda ng, ng sunset, oh. Ganda, no? Grabe. Ganda. Lahat ng weather, fishing weather, tennis weather, surfing weather, tsaka ano tawag ito? Drifting weather. Drift weather. Grabe. Shout out, Domingo Jericho. Shout out, Domingo Renz,
All
Jericho.
right, guys, so let's
Final 8 na, final 8.
battle that we have here. Now all the drivers are ready to go. Let's go back to the first battle of the grade 8.
Yan, sir, thank you. Woo! Final 8 na, final 8. Walo na lang nakikita.
The first time watching drifting, but yes,
Grabe, first time watching drifting from Tokyo.
out here today we have, one of the top drivers
From Japan.
down here.
Arigato gozaimasu.
They're putting on a great show. Now let's go ahead and see Mark Bernardo in the lead position. They really
Yan.
And first wrong. And now
Galing nung Bernardo, yung kulay gray ba yun? Pero siya yung nauna eh, mamaya, re-reverse sila. Mauna naman yung light blue. Pag nadikitan ng light blue, nako, tabla ulit.
Now we're gonna switch.
Switch naman.
We're gonna switch places.
Grabe. Grabe ano to, shout out sa mga nanonood.
Bernardo.
Like and share po, share nyo po para marami makanood. Grabe. First time in the history ng Northern Luzon, Philippines. Tayo ang nag-host, international.
And boom. Look out. And a nice switch back here. That's the North Philippines.
Wow. Isa pa.
You guys are judging. We're never going to be
One
going home.
more time. Wala na, dito na matatapos.
I know, I want to go one more time, but we're going to be here all night. Sunday.
Shout out! I-enjoy ba tayo dyan, mga lord?
Super close call. But the winner is going to Mark Bernardo. This away moves on to the final draw.
Yung nakagree.
But a round of applause to Booty Damasol for putting up
Ano yung nakagree?
crazy tandem.
Yung nakagree. Gray yung ata yun, yung isa. Yung dito.
Mark Bernardo.
Yung left corner. Wow. Bernardo family, shout out, Kabirawan. Ay. Naka-like na, sir.
Oh, okay. All right, guys, we're going to see more battles here. And we're going to move on to the next battle. This is going to be Marcus in the chase.
Ito yung VIP
and
section,
Lasaka
VIP.
in the lead. Now, Lasaka
Shout out,
is going to be
Lord
leading in
Jesus
the
Christ, ang ganda ng sunset. Grabe, wow. Ganda ng sunset natin, no? Sunset mo, kapapari.
Marcus Milan going to do the chase. And goes for Lasaka.
Ganda ng view.
Ang ganda ng sunset, ma'am.
Ganda ng view, no?
Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ. Thank you, Father. Thank you, Holy Spirit.
All right, now Jack's hands points out,
Ganda, ma'am. Ganda ng view.
and the drivers are ready.
Ang ganda ng view, sir, no? Ang ganda
And it's
ng
a go. What? All right, Lasaka. The chase. Marcus another spin down. Down the outside zone 2. And now Lozano stops the track. Bobon spins out again before the transition at the outside zone 4. And Lozano.
Paralo yung red. May round 2 pa, may round 2 pa. Ganda.
And now they're switching places. We're going to see Lozano in the chase. And Bobon in the lead. And yes, John
Palit silang
Bobon.
pesto. Mauna naman yung kulay orange.
Marcus Bobon's father. Marcus is his son. Another young driver. Following the footsteps of his father.
Shout out, ganda ng weather.
And Lozano is going to give it chase. Now we have Marcus. Lozano, keeping that record on the young driver, and now both together. Great job by both drivers.
Panalo yung red.
And that might be an easy one for the drivers too, but hands down the road to the driver, but we will be taking one driver to move on. It is going to be Racing Racing Team. Jay Lozano gets the win. Moves on
Sabi
to
na
the final four.
Tayo mag-judge.
Here for the third round of
Marunong na tayo mag-judge, mga lods. Sabi ko, red eh. Basta
great hustle by Marcus.
kung nasa likod ka pala, kailangan dikitan mo yung nasa harap. Kung nasa harap ka, iwanan mo yung nasa likod, tsaka mag-trip ka talaga. Ganon.
The battle.
Ganon yung para manalo ka. Ganon pala. Aha. Ayun, ano yung ginawa ko? Nag-research pa tayo. Yun po yung
And an
tinawag.
update, a quick update.
Sa lahat ng bagay, may
There was
research.
mechanical issues with Abel's
Yun.
car. He was allotted with a 10-minute fix.
Yun,
But he
research.
should not make
Anong
it.
nangyari? Bakit may problema?
Over there, waiting
Kailangan
for Abel. Great hustle by the
i-research
team.
nila.
Thank you.
That you're
But
Yeah.
now moving on is going to be John Bobon
Ma'am.
getting the win. And now we're going to have to watch John.
Diba sa
He's going to have to do a
drifting,
fire run
meron
to
ding
show us
research,
that his
ano?
car is capable of making the run.
Drifting, diba?
But he is moving on.
Research. Kasi
And
kailangan mag-aral
going
bakit
back to what
wala
happened
kang-
earlier, there
Yes,
was
yes,
some
yeah.
issues
Kaya-
with sports
Kaya nandito
contact.
si Sir Janos
So,
thesis sa
it would have
statistician
been
para
on Adele
mag-research.
anyways.
Ah,
And he is
baka
not
merong
out there,
mga
not able to
mag-translator na
fix the
mga-
vehicle within the 10 minutes. So John Bobon is going to do,
The crew are
I
engineers,
guess it
right?
would be,
mga ganun. Yeah, mechanics.
and moving on.
Everything they do is based on research.
Final four.
Data.
Dapat.
Para-
Consistent dapat accurate.
Yun. Ma'am, ano nga ang pangalan mo, ma'am?
Nelly po.
Organizer ako.
Yeah, shout out sa Decor
Shout out. Shout out. Yeah. Ma'am, pa-like and find. Naka-like na siya.
Yes.
Para to blind later.
All right, now we're going to give a few moments to the drivers.
Ma'am, ang ganda lang.
We're going to have to see within the rules. We have to make sure that John Bobon's car is operable
Oo.
because his
Yeah.
opponent is getting knocked out for it in the power.
Mamaya.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo, guys?
Sobra. O, nag-enjoy daw ba kayo, guys? Yan, o. Ma'am.
Give us a few
Yan ulit, ma'am, ha?
To see because after
Wow, may drone, may
John
drone.
Bobon's
May drone tayo. Mamaya, final four na.
Okay na kaya yun.
by run,
Ayun na yung drone controller natin, oh. Grabe, nasa VIP.
letting his car out. John Bobon gets the win. And there's his car run. He is going to go. All right, great job by John Bobon. John moving on.
Arigato,
This
gozaimasu.
out of the watch because he's going against Mark.
Bale, naglap ano lang yun kasi napanalo na, tanggal na yung isa kasi sira na yung sakyan. So, kailangan nilang i-research kung bakit nasira yung makina. Yun, ano bumali na, transmission, makina, mga ganun.
And as you saw right now, John Boban
Ganda, ganda.
made a lap in his vehicle.
Ganda.
But remember earlier, his teammate
Wow, shout out sa
Anthony
mga
Lewis is also borrowing his car. So now that car has
Shout out.
to be run back to back.
lakas, rinig. Okay, shout out sa'yo, Jerry Greds Domingo. Like and share, mga katisis, mga kapacham. Pacham-pachambang vlog lang to, pasensya na. First time po to na mag-host ang Northern Luzon, Philippines. Ilocos, Cagayan, Sabela, Batanes, Quirino. Ngayon lang po sa Cagayan Valley, Lalo, Cagayan. Shout out po. May mga kumahabol tayong mga audience. So, aabot sila sa Final 8. Final 4 na mamaya.
Moves on. They meet at the finals. I wonder who's going to get the win because they can't drive one car together.
Down to 4, sir. Down to 4. Yun, dami pang ipon, no? Grabe, oh. Visit. Wow! Sino yan? Sino yan? Ah?
All right, now we have Anthony. Yeah, Anthony's here all the way from Australia. And we got Isaac. Right now we got Isaac. Chris and Anthony. By Anthony. A lot of people here. We're going to pass these two extra.
Wow, 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 wow,
Now
wow.
we're going to get to see the second half of this battle because the first half was gnarly.
Enjoy po pa, enjoy. Nice
At
one,
this
sir.
point right now, I have no
Puro usok,
idea
puro
who's
usok.
going to take
Wow.
the win because both of the drivers are doing a great job.
Shout out sa ating drivers.
Isaac, the super outside run, outside line run, kind of missed outside the ring, and keeping that proximity. Now here we go. Isaac's not going to be caught. And get super close. By both the drivers, a round of applause to these experts.
Manalo yung ano, yung huli, yung pangalawa. Yung ano, yung hindi red, black and white. Feeling ko lang, feeling ko lang, sir. Sa'yo sa panalo, yung black and white, no? O yung red sa'yo? Dikit, ano? Sa akin, yung black and white, ha? Hula ko lang.
Really close call. Okay, so what do you guys think? Who won?
Black,
Anthony?
black and white.
Oh, we can't keep doing one more time. Look, it's getting darker. We gotta get home too. Seriously. Round of applause if you think Anthony won. Or who do you think won? Who thinks Isaac won?
Black and white. Black and white car.
Yeah, I mean, you guys are being biased because you have Filipino. All right, so we're going to have to make this call here. It is not going to be a one more time. We have a unanimous call. Well, judges. Moving on is going to be from the drift ball, Anthony Pillage. Get some I'm sorry, guys. Don't be mad at us. But that is made. Isaac Reyes is knocked down here, unfortunately. Congratulations to Anthony.
Uy, shout out kay ate.
Round of applause to both drivers.
Dumikit kasi masyado yung...
Now that's a tough one for Anthony because they're in a wild car and
Don't come and purchase because you don't like our judging.
5 minutes break, 5 minutes break.
Don't be mad at us. We're doing our best. So 5 minutes. We'll be right back.
5 minutes break, 5 minutes break.
For the
Yun.
Invierno trip track that we were at.
Yun, si Sir Invierno.
Engineer Galvay.
Engineer
A special,
Galaba.
very grateful host.
Yun.
And also FP Ronald Lapao.
Si Ronald Lapaw.
And this is Christian Masa as well from Nakagawa, Japan. Thank you to everybody, and also thank you for you guys coming out here, hanging out with us this late. But it's just a reminder, it's getting a little darker. We've got a few more hours to go. Signing as well.
Final four na. Naka-break
And
lang.
you guys can
Last
see
four
over
na,
there
last
where the
four,
lights
last four.
are, in the building over there, where the basketball court is and the pickleball court is over there in the corner. That's where we're going to have the award ceremony, and we're going to have the autograph signing there after this. So make sure you pick out your favorite divers and go say what's up. Give them a high five and cheer them on, because the fans reaching out and saying what's up always gives a positive feeling to these drivers fighting hard here.
Doon daw po yung autograph signing.
Because I'm talking some of
May meet
these
natin si
drivers
Vin
go
Diesel tsaka si
13,
Gal Gadot.
14 hours to get out here to put on a great show. So we'll be right back in a few minutes, and we're going to go right into the final four.
Final four na mga kapacham. Mamaya, final four. Pahinga lang tayo. Let's go. Tanong natin kung sino yung natira. Sir, good evening. Can I ask who are the final four, the remaining players? It's
Mark Bernardo,
Mark Bernardo,
John Boban,
John Boba. What's the car, sir? John Bernardo. Mark
Bernardo 831 Sapiro,
Sapiro.
John Boban R34,
R34.
Jay Lazaga R32,
R32.
Anthony Billick R34.
Okay. What's the color of their car, sir? Bernardo is
Bernardo is gray,
gray.
John Boban's red,
Red.
Jay Lazaga black and white,
Black and white.
red and black,
Red and black.
and then Anthony Billick red.
Red. All right. Thank you very much, sir. It's the race director. Yo, race director po. Ha? Yung kausap natin, mga kapacham. Dito tayo sa VIP section, ha? Nagbayad pa tayo, Sir Jano. Ano tayo? Volunteer tayong marshal. Marshal tayong marshal. Taga-repair ng mga ganito.
For the Drift Mod City Series and various judges
Yo, shout
from
out, sir.
various rounds of drifting all over the place.
Okay. 5 minutes break daw, siguro 3 minutes na nakakalipas.
I can see his
Game na daw. Final four, let's go, vamonos.
May announcer tayo dito, sir, ah.
Relax lang.
Habol pa sila.
Final four. Like and share po para habol kayo dito sa lalo.
Okay, so it looks like it was lined up, but now
Lahat ng mga driver, mga pogi.
John Boban is calling.
Ma'am, merong autograph mamaya, Autograph. May poster po ako, binili.
Dapat signing tayo.
Opo, yan. Thank you. 300 lang. Punta na kayo. Nandito po si Vin Crudo.
Andito Superman Isaac Reyes.
Oh, yun, no?
Andi.
Tsaka si ma'am, magpapa-autograph tayo kay ma'am.
Hindi po.
Pwede yan.
Sarap yung sa corrector lang, autograph signing.
Doon na lang po. Okay, meron ano. Ako na lang po tatrigger. May ilaw kaya tayo, sir?
Video. Cameraman. Dito sa Drift Series. 5 years na. Hindi, no, grabe. Yung adrenaline or sanay ka na? Sanay na rin. Pero every event, iba-iba pa rin, ano? Iba-iba pa rin. Grabe. Okay no. Grabe, ang ganda. Buti na lang, na-invite kami ni Boss G. Apari Tennis Club, na-invite niya. Nilibre kami lahat ni, ano? Ni Pres Ronald Labaw. Ayun o, mga kapacham, oh. Madami yung mga panonood. Final 4 na po. 4 na lang natitira. Eto na. It's time to separate the boys from the men. Oh. Bossy, it's time to separate the boys from the men. May ganun ba? Magkikita na mga cons. Dito eh. Delikado. Uy, 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 uy.
Here's some revving now. We see John Bobon's car leaving the pits, and it looks like it is ready.
Ito na.
All right, how many of you all here are Mark Bernardo fans?
Yeah! Woo!
How many of you all here are John Bobon fans? How many of you are... Nobody? Come on. Oh, come on. Everybody's tired? Okay, let's make this quick. So both these drivers are ready to go.
Final 4. Let's go. Vámonos.
Mark Bernardo on the lead. Inches, super close there. It's that concrete. Concrete bag.
Uli po, dito lang oh.
Oh.
Grabe. Ayan lang oh. Pilot. Ayan yung director oh. Si Sir Director oh. Yung interview natin kanina.
All right.
Yung
Drivers,
ducktail ba yan? Ducktail ba yan, sir?
you don't have to push it through the finish line. Looks like John's car whacked the cement bag and lost his wing. So this may change his traction on the second run.
Cars ready. Wala na siyang wing. Tara, laban. Grabe. Bernardo. Woo! Panalo naman yung Bernardo. Shout out Bernardo Clan. Kabirawan dun sa gayan. Pwede. Nung Romel, nung Miguel, ha? Manang Benita, shout out sa inyo. Panalo naman yung Bernardo. Mukhang Bernardo. paswerte na yun, ah. Sir, sino manalo? Bernardo, ano? Pula, sir, pula. Pula daw eh, Boban daw. Ako, Bernardo ako eh. Pero pula yung sabi nila. Pero tingnan natin.
Alright, this is a very, very close call, and we are reviewing the replays here. One of the drivers did a little bit better, a little bit longer in the chase. And we are going to crown that driver to make it into the finals. The winner of this battle. Winner of this battle is going to go to CRD. Mark Bernardo gets the win, moves on to the finals. Congratulations.
Panalo, Bernardo. Panalo,
Bernardo. John Boban almost
Panalo
took the win,
Bernardo.
but it was just some slight
Swerte ng Bernardo.
chase
Shout
car.
out Bernardo family. Roden, Rhea Jane, Rojane, shout out sa inyo. Mga inaanak. Ang panalo ang Bernardo. Swerte.
For the third place.
There.
So he's going to have to still battle out to stay on the podium and get third. Now, who's going to take, or who's going to take on Mark Bernardo in the finals? Is it going to be Jay Lazaga, or is it going to be Anthony Village, who is going to be driving the same car John Boban is piloting up until now?
Mga kaibigan, Final 4. Isa nakapasok na ng final, si Bernardo. Mark Bernardo. Shout out, ang galing mo. Pa-autograph ako sa'yo mamaya. Pwede mo ba ako isakay sa sasakyan? Wag na, baka mahilo ako. Eto na, yung isang Final 4. Yung manalo dito, kakalapanin ni Mark Bernardo sa final.
So Lazaga warming up his tires.
Lazaga.
At the start line. And I hear the impacts going. I think they're changing the rear tire maybe. Or are they? Alright, it's getting pretty dark out here, but hope you guys are enjoying the show
Yeah.
and the competition. A round of applause to all the drivers who made it up until now and who's going against each other and who's going to make it into the final. So we still don't know who's going to get on top. And we still don't know who's going to be on the podium. And like I said, make sure you stick around for the autograph signing because it's exciting to see match the faces with the car, who's driving which car, and get to say a high five, say what's up to these drivers, and also get an autograph. It's going to be really fun. And we still do have the award ceremony because we still don't know who won the Pro 2 round. And we will not be announcing the winner until the award ceremony that we're going to have after these battles. All right, now we see John Boban's car getting piloted by Anthony Village, slowly moving its way to the start line.
Ito na. Yung other semi-final pairing to, mga kapacham, ka-tennis. Ito na.
Right now we got Jay Lazaga in the lead.
Jay Lazaga. Kunin nga yung ating poster para makita natin yung mga mukha nila.
From Basic Racing Team. In the chase, we have Triple on Henry Ford. 1 and 2. And Anthony's keeping that pressure on. And now. Please chase up here.
Outside zone 4, seen by both Travers and Anthony.
Wow!
And a round of applause to these two maniacs driving on the track. And now you gotta remember, Anthony.
Parehas na ano